Hi my dear kids, welcome to our channel Kids Learning with Mom. Shall we do some big digit additions using abacus scale? Are you ready my dear kids? Okay, take your abacus scale, pencil and notes and let's start. Before starting any additions or subtractions, you have to always clear your abacus scale. Okay, let's start. 510 plus 267 plus 112. Now tell me the answer. 889. Very good. Clear your scale. Next problem. 35 plus 252 plus 111 plus 6, 0 means no beat should be moved, and 1. Answer is 899. See how simply we are doing additions using abacus scale? Clear your scale. Next one. 3230 plus 1414 plus 650. 50. Okay. Now 5000 means in fourth beat you have to move one upper beat. Answer is 8894. Oh, very big problem. Clear your scale. Next one. 123 plus 616 plus 5050 and 100 means third rod single beat. What is the answer? 889. Very good. Let's clear the scale. Don't forget clearing scale should be with index finger. Next problem. 126 plus 260 plus 602. What is the answer? 988. Very good. Clear your scale. Let's do 4-digit addition now. 2311 plus 6076 plus 1601. Answer is 9988. In the next video, I'll come with subtractions. Thank you, my dear friends.